welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be transforming my mother hair. You've seen her in previous videos and in my vlogs.
Hi.
Yes, so I'm going to be transforming her into me. I don't know if you guys remember, a couple years ago, Shami and I did that same video. And you guys loved it and it was a lot of fun. So today I'm going to be attempting because I'm not a face shape different.
Yeah.
No.
My face long.
So this is going to be interesting. I'm going to give her the same wig, same makeup look, which takes a while, and we're wearing the same shirt. So twinning. So, alright, the first thing we're going to apply this RBG here that you guys are seeing right now. And as I said, it's from RBG. It's a short bob like you see me wearing. I'm going to put all specifications down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. The link where you can go ahead and order it if you're interested is down below. So please go ahead and check it out. Right now I'm just going to move on. I already went in and did my little customization. As you guys can see here on the screen, I just did a little bit of pre-plucking. Well, it came pre-plucked, but I further plucked it so that, because you guys know I'm kind of like an OCD when it comes to that already, so I just want to make sure it look as natural as possible. I'm just gonna move on. So I may have her little ear cut. I don't know, so she have a shortcut already.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's fake kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that you're mine, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you a turn me on. Man, I play my song, you a sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go crazy for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Only see her a buck?
No.
She a buck?
No.
She always a buck. Always a buck.
No. I was thinking about something.
So oh, your head a broke off for your neck, so?
Are you the one my head, man?
Me not supposed to hold the head?
Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Put you on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You a turn me on. Man, I play my song. You a sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007. Man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire.
Yeah, man, the camera catch every piece of it, and I'm going to put it in the video.
No, don't put it in there.
I'm going to put it in the video.
Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. I'm for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. One for me, girl, she a one for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Put you on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You a turn me on. Man, I play my song. You a sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007. Man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. I'm for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. One for me, girl, she a one for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up.
Think.
I just the head shape.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I mean, me not think say it fully, but you know, can definitely say, you know? No. How do you feel to be me? Say I can't talk up? Yeah, I like it, guys. It's really nice. As you can see, I love the way the wig turned out. Look at that. Look at that. What lace?
Feel good, yeah. I love it.
Guys, go ahead and comment down below what you think about this video, what you think about the looks. As you know, I did this in an Instagram video or a tutorial the other day, and I decided that it's the same day actually that I did the look. It's the same day. I decided that I wanted to do this video and transform mommy into me, and I'm loving the wig. I am loving the wig. RPG hair, shout out to you guys. Shout out. How long you go wear that wig for me?
Wow, about 2 days or so now.
She can't wait for work tomorrow, you know?
No, I can't wait.
That's it for now, guys. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Comment down below what you think about it. I know I say no spot on. Yeah, but for the spirit of the video, just go ahead, you know, leave your thoughts down below. What other suggestions you have in terms of videos. You don't know already saying not to be makeup or hair related. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Watch mommy look on herself through the you find out.
Hey, it's when you have on them look here, you forgot somewhere, you know. Somewhere should not go.
Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So go and make up on yourself.
Bye.
On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man.